How to get 75% off United Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in couponfollow.com and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Once you're on the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of search. Click on that. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in united.com and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $300 off, 20% off, $75 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at United Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, you'll get the discount in your flight. Also, you can give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So that's a wrap for this video. This way, you can easily get up to 75% off working coupon code for United Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.